Quite cool there, eh?
There is a room in there.
Need lights. You got your torch on?
That's where the
Yeah, that's your big chimney.
Sarah, don't touch anything.
Bye-bye.
Because there might be some weird
Oh yeah. It's quite cool, eh? It's nice and cool in here, actually.
That's the massive fireplace, but I think that's where the French door's going,
Yeah.
approximately. So that's where you're going to open up. So we need to
Look at
remove all of these walls because this effectively all of this will be living space.
It's
Yeah.
quite damp.
I wouldn't touch it. It's got some of the paint's got lead in it. Oh, that's concrete. Is it?
It's plastic.
Crappy.
Look at the size of it.
Yeah. So we're gonna knock that wall out, eh?
The other thing was I also put some red bait down.
These are not.
Oh yeah.
Which is little red.
No,
Square things.
easy to come out. So all of this will be living, effectively. Hey Zara, stay close up. Look at the floor, look at the big flagstones. I reckon when you bring those up, it'll be amazing.
Why you got so much demo to do?
Do you see
Yep.
Vera?
It's gonna be fun.
Hey?
It's gonna be fun.
All the way back.
Oh, I see. Just brought it across.
That's where the other little
Alex will help us with the demo, so there you go. You've got three people.
Well, I mean, you've got look so much of this. Look.
Yeah, it'll come on.
It's all gonna be demo. What are we doing? Some meter.
Oh, and they said the guy said, I'll try and come down on Friday and just get it done. So that means they're very close to it, yeah. I didn't promise you until I'd seen it. So this will be, I guess, where you end up sleeping in the next couple of weeks. So we've got those missing tiles in that cupboard.
Probably gonna go to level 2
Yeah, would they?
and in the blue room. Wow.
Super solid though.
Oh. Bye-bye.
Look at this. Look at this.
Slight understatement.
Look at these beautiful stairs. That'd be lovely when they come down. Yeah. So I reckon the power will probably go under there, but I reckon that could be a laundry.
Oh yeah. Wash and dry. Easy. Yeah.
But as soon as we get the French door, all of this is going to be light.
Amazing. Yeah. It'll make.
And you can see the next level is all flagstones as well. Super solid.
Let's go, Bubba.
Yeah.
Up we go. Up we go.
She likes it apparently.
You like it, Bubba?
Shall we just take these window things off?
Yeah, take them off.
One flew off already.
Oh, this solid. This is solid. Flagstone, eh?
Yeah, I mean stairs are amazing.
So you got the floor.
Yeah. You take it off, you get light. So don't forget he's got all the windows boarded up.
Yeah, exactly, Claire.
So this is where he'll start fixing the cracks.
I love how the walls are kind
Did
of
you hear what
above.
she was saying? The Mary has sent a note to everyone in the village
Still
saying
good
this road will be
character.
closed from next week. So that means the step they're on is coming next week.
No bodies.
What it needs to do to get the
Wow.
Rob, did you hear that? The step they're on starting next week because the Mary has said this road will be closed.
Excellent.
Brilliant.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah.
So
But you're not going to do it all at once, eh? You're
No.
just going to do the
stone on
Downstairs first.
Yeah. And as long as it's watertight from up here, then it's fine, isn't it? As long as we do the downstairs, get it all cleared
But
up.
you've seen it all on photos.
Oh yeah. I mean in person.
Actually, when we first bought it though, I think he'd cleaned it up.
I'm assuming there's a big little one over here, but still, I don't like that.
Glass on the floor, you've got better so that's
I love all the bows in the building. It's just nice and curved. We might put some steel framing up and make something square.
Hit those as well, if you're collapsing on your own weight.
Yeah, I don't think it's worse. Wow.
These tiles have value, so you've got to be careful when you lift those.
And they might be all the way through here as well.
And then this is a nice.
Oh yeah, and they put a second layer on top. Wow, look at those. Those are amazing.
I don't think there's enough wardrobe space.
I thought this was the wardrobe. Holy moly.
So we're putting a window through here too,
Yeah, you need one.
to the garden.
Yes, be nice.
Yeah, there's a window that's locked up here already.
To the stairwell. Oh yeah, so they've just, this is bottom floors all the way through and they put these tiles on top.
Yeah.
Oh look, we just put a toilet in here.
Well, I actually thought it could be an ensuite, and then I thought, you know, you probably got room a bit bigger.
Yeah.
Lots of character. See, the neighbours are all delighted that it's been purchased by someone who's actually going to do it. Because they like the village. It's all very solid. They like the village to have, you know, people take care of their houses.
Breaking house already.
I'm good for demo. Look at all that, that's all going to come off, eh?
Yeah, all that stuff's going to come off.
But wait, there's more.
Now the floor up here gets a bit dodgy, so just be careful. So that's a window, we're going to put a window in there.
Because that's an existing window, eh?
Yeah.
No, not in there. Right, this is the dodgy one.
Oh wow. Oh wow. This is a cool space.
Yeah, that's it, mate.
You can go in there, that's fine, that's fine. Master bedroom. Cool, huh?
Nice,
Huge.
nice skylight.
We need to pull all these tiles off and have a look at the floor and yeah, we're gonna knock those,
This is all wood,
replace
so
all those.
it's easy to replace.
Come on, Zidza. What do you think? It's amazing. It's amazing.
I thought you were going to take one look at it and say, no, bugger this, we're out of here.
Well, in the brochure, it looked like it was a lovely place to live, but it's not.
It was the wrong
brochure.
Oh, we got it staged and had all the furniture in it when we showed it to you.
Yeah. Because they put the post underneath it.
Bloody also.
Yeah.
Do you want to look in?
Oh, did you see this? This is your meat drying rack.
For the salami.
Yeah.
Very careful.
Wow.
Yeah,
Stay on this side, love, yeah. Good.
That's what
All the work's been done. Wow.
So we thought that would be Zara's room, probably, yeah?
Yeah. Probably.
It's huge master, yeah? Yeah, awesome. That roof's all been done. Yes.
Wow.
Mum,
Just stay by the
can I go back over to the car now?
I really think we need to speak to Miss Earth on about trying to preserve these beams. Because if he replaces it all new like that, then you don't want to end up with them exposed because they'll be ugly. Normally they try and preserve.
To be fair, that room has got to be insulated and then gibboard stuck on it.
Yeah, which is a shame. You don't normally do that in France.
Oh, we won't put it on the beams. Well, we'll leave the beams exposed.
Those are not pretty beams. Those are.
brilliant tiles on the floor.
Sweetie, no.
I'm trying to I think that's too heavy hits. I think that's the crack there, where it's
yeah.
bowing out.
There are big holes there and it could expand.
Oh, it's got nice ventilation.
You mean that?
Yeah.
Hardly ever rains.
I can tell with all the dust.
Well, I don't think water tightness is an issue so much with a stone. I don't think
Yeah.
that,
Yeah, we might need to
I don't think
put
with
some,
stone, water tightness is quite such an issue.
sort out these boards and stuff. Oh,
I don't
right.
think you'll be up here for a while though. I think you'll probably
No.
be on the other levels.
It'll be downstairs.
All right, you can go.
It'll be a lot later on.
We've got the joist down here. They're not very well secured.
When we come to do the second floor,
These ones don't seem to be too well secured.
yeah, we're probably going to rip this all out and just put a brand new floor in.
Yeah.
These are amazing.
Yeah, we'll just rip it all out.
Yeah,
And redo the whole lot.
The only problem is that they're a bit steep.
It'll probably be a whole lot easier.
Let's wait for Mum, Dara.
Just because, and we might actually raise that roof a little bit to to be in line with the step into the bedroom, because there's quite a big step from one floor to the next floor.
You have
Yeah,
such a
although
nice view of
You've got the
Ross.
holes all ready for you.
Lovely.
But again, that's in 3 years' time.
Yeah.
That's very real.
Oh, we've been in that one.
Bloody hell.
Wow.
Well,
Yeah.
at least you didn't run away saying, no,
Yeah.
get out of here.
No,
See you guys.
no.
It's got lots to work with.
What's that saying?
It's a huge house, right?
Challenge accepted.
I don't know that you need
We'll probably put doors back on here too, actually.
a bigger garden.
Close off the
So much
sections.
space. You'll have multiple bathrooms and
Right.
multiple bedrooms and
Okay, first, you follow me.
this.
We might need a handrail on here too.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Because as it is, your pool's pretty small, it's smaller than ours. And that's going to take up most of the garden.
You okay, Baba?
Just being some rebar around it. Should we go into the Alex? Come on then.
Wow.
See, I really like all this tile work.
Oh, same. It's beautiful.
That's where all those other tiles are.
Yeah.
So whenever we lift tiles, we've got to be really careful.
Yeah, some of them, it depends on what compound they've used on the bottom there, because if they've used quite a strong compound, we might not be able to save them.
Well, those ones they managed to get up.
Yeah, but
Okay,
the
thank
thing
you.
is, if you look at them, they've got a hard base concrete here, so if you start trying to knock that off, it'll break the tiles. That's the issue, because they put a solid compound across there that's hard enough.
Grind it off.
Or we just lay it in a thicker base,
Uh-huh.
so pretend they're thick tiles instead of thin tiles. Wow,
It's cool, huh? Well, I hope you think it's cool.
it's quite cool
It will
in
be.
here.
It will be really cool.
It's quite cool in here.
It is going. No, but that's going to be amazing.
Because there's no breeze, but that's
Like I'm noticing
no.
things like the floors. Like imagine you're going to have proper stone floors.
yeah, massive flight stones. Yeah, wow.
But this will all come out easily. These aren't supporting.
Yeah.
Oh, totally.
So we'll have those out in
all,
the day.
all those are.
And then the French door
Oh,
will go in.
and that's
And
an
suddenly
amazing
it'll be
world.
different. Yeah. I think this was probably originally a dining room. I love that huge big fireplace, but we're going to lose that.
That's amazing. Can we not keep any shape of it?
Well, no, you keep the
No, they'll
fireplace,
keep- they'll
but there's
keep
a
the
door in
shape.
it.
Oh, good.
They'll keep the arch, I think, but it will have a door in it.
Oh, yeah. So the issue with this being the kitchen is that this wall here is huge, right? And so
Oh, there's the water meter.
the original plan was that this.
Oh, yeah, fine, but you can give us the keys for Payson.
I've got the key.
Not my car.
I've got the key.
Okay, so yeah, so that was
No, we just wanted to have a quick look, and then we'll get out of here and we're gonna get some groceries and stuff and things.
Fair enough.
But
And you know the combination?
no.
Somebody's birthday?
Wow.
Wow, exactly.
Oh,